Professor Deepesh Chakraborty, our chief guest on the occasion with online presence from Chicago. He will be joining soon. Sri Krishna Kulkarni, Chairman, Board of Governors of IIM Calcutta. Professor Bhaskar Chakraborty, Dean Academic. Professor Manish Thakur, Dean New Initiatives and External Relations. Members of the Board of Governors, distinguished alumnus award recipients and family, alumni, faculty, ex-faculty, staff, ex-staff, students, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, watching this event physically from here or virtually from all over the globe. Very good evening. Good morning to Professor Deepesh Chakraborty and others from similar time zones. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here on the Diamond Jubilee Foundation Day as this prestigious institute completes 60 years of its existence today. Most of us know that IIM Calcutta was the first IIM established in the country, and during the 60 glorious youthful years, we have seen the institute grow and add great many feathers to its cap. I would rather like to unconditionally transfer those detailing and backpatting rights to volunteers worldwide, and instead take this opportunity on this very special day to impress upon our audience that we are much more than our ranks and our accolades. We are a closely bonded, ever-growing family that has been fostered and nurtured over 60-odd years with mutual love and care, with the primary goal of promoting management, education, and research. Thanks to the support of successive boards of governors and other stakeholders, IIM Calcutta, the first Triple Crown institute in the country with AACSB, EQUIS, and AMBA accreditations, has already made its mark on the world. And we take pride as we particularly thank our faculty and our alumni for their contribution toward this recognition. Our remarkable alumni have channeled their passions in assorted fields of work and have made an impact on numerous fronts in the corporate world, academia, government administration and other public services, NGOs caring for the underprivileged, arts, literature, history and culture, sports and adventure, and politics, to name just a few. We feel elated and honored as we felicitate few of those luminaries with the Distinguished Alumnus Award on this Foundation Day every year. Over the past 60 years, we have witnessed enormous changes that kept reshaping us. Ups and downs in the economy, magical evolutions in digital technology, higher education policies and funding patterns, from being a fully funded centrally government institute for decades to a purely self-funded institute since liberalization, and a long such list, with the latest addition being COVID-19 afflicted harsh reality. However, our primary identity remained time invariant, unchanged across this spirited journey. IIM Calcutta continued to attract the best uncut diamonds as its students, and our dedicated faculty had the fun of helping them shape and polish to jewels. Support from our staff and assistance from student council members and volunteers have been stupendous. The end result has always been very sweet. The diamonds sparkled in pure ambience, developed their personalities to make choices for life and career, braced the bigger world, and kept adding to their shine, keeping us all dazzled in reflected glory. The achievements and contributions of our alumni and executive program alumni are being watched by budding youngsters to trigger their own dreams and aspirations. We believe they will continue to wear their alma mater badges with pride for the world to see and revere. On this Diamond Jubilee Day, let us not only remind ourselves of our sublime past, but importantly, plan for a more glorious future. In a billion-stock nation, we have a lot of responsibilities, much more to contribute, and have miles to go, expanding the horizon of our academic and social endeavors. This position and this moment in time are temporary, but our legacy is permanent. We are cogs in the wheel of this grand framework, and it falls on every one of us to carry our illustrious heritage forward. We pray that every member of IIM Calcutta fraternity continues to thrive and shine and make exemplary contributions, inspiring the younger generation to reflect and dream. We have been sustained and watched over by our predecessors. We will pass the torch to our successors and trust them to take us far ahead when the Institute celebrates its centenary in the year 2061. At this juncture, we have great opportunities, but major financial challenges in translating those to realities. And I urge all, our beloved alumni in particular, to come forward and help the Institute reach enviable heights within its reach. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience and for being with us. Jai Hind.